Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we got this DeLonghi Magnifica S with us in the shop. Pretty much it came in because it was dragging on coming out, and also water was not coming through the spouts at all, completely. There was no water coming out of the machine. What we did is we did a complete tune-up on the machine, replacing all the gaskets. We actually put a brand new brew unit in there also, and we descaled the machine, cleaned it out thoroughly, cleaned all the walls, all the panels, everything like that. Also, we did replace the pump, and we replaced the flow meter that was on this machine that controls water flow. And so, yeah, we're going to test the machine now. We're going to test all the functions. So we're going to start with a small one shot. We're going to let it grind. And now it's going to put itself in position to brew. As you can see, coffee coming out. I did not calibrate this or anything. Of course, you can mess with the grind setting. This is on the 3rd grind setting, which is what DeLonghi recommends for testing your machines. And then we're going to do hot water. We do not have a milk carafe with this machine, and we do not have one here in the shop, so we're just going to test the hot water function by just cooking that. And as you can see, everything is working well. That's about it for this repair. If you like this repair or any of our other videos, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.